Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to apps and you can click on Snapchat. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. And in the end you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Bye.